So today what we will do, we will start with the session. The name of topic is statistical measures of asset returns. Statistical measures of asset returns. Now this topic is from QM subject, okay, quantitative methods. Now see, before 2024, okay, the name of reading was organizing, visualizing and describing data. In 2024, as per 2024 curriculum, the name of reading is now statistical measure of asset returns. So this topic is divided into two parts. Okay, in this topic, you will learn, concepts related to risk. You will also learn concept related to returns. So basically, you need to focus on risk and return. Okay, in this topic. So today, what we will do, we will start with the concepts, okay, related to returns. Okay, so very first one here you can see, when it comes to concept related to returns. Okay, just a minute. Okay, when it comes to concept related to returns, what we will do, we will start with central tendency. Okay, we will start with measures of central tendency. So what measure of central tendency do? See, center basically means what? Center basically means average. And average means mean here. So very first thing you need to understand, what are the different types of mean we have. So very first one, we will understand what is arithmetic mean and how to calculate arithmetic mean. Okay, then we will see weighted mean. Now, weighted mean is helpful to portfolio managers. Okay, let's say as a portfolio manager, you are managing portfolio for your client. And if you want to check, how overall portfolio has performed, so you need to compute weighted mean. Okay, then we will see geometric mean. Now, geometric mean is used by, mutual fund industry. So if you might have seen, how mutual funds present their returns. They present their 1 year return, 3 year returns, 5 year returns. So that is geometric mean. And then we will also see last harmonic mean. Now, harmonic mean is used to come up with average cost price. So take, for example, you are doing SIP, systematic investment plan, right? Where every month we invest same amount. Let's say we are doing SIP of 1000, but net asset value, right? Every month will be different. So how to cross check, what is the average cost price of units, we have accumulated. So for that, we will calculate harmonic mean. So each and every mean has a different usage. So you need to understand the meaning and calculation part. Okay, so with this note, we will start with arithmetic mean. See, arithmetic mean is also known as simple mean. Now, arithmetic mean we have already learned in school days, how to calculate average or arithmetic mean. So this is the data set given to you. Can you please try to calculate arithmetic mean and tell me the answer? What will be the answer? Guys, please calculate arithmetic mean. Okay, Kunal is saying arithmetic mean is 29.8. Perfect. So how to calculate arithmetic mean? See, we will denote arithmetic mean with X bar. Okay, sum of all observations, okay, divided by total number of observations. Okay, so you need to add every observation, that is 25 plus 34 plus 19 plus 54 plus 17 divided by 5, you will get answer 29.8. Okay, next we will learn weighted mean. Okay, and we will also see how weighted mean is different from arithmetic mean. So as I told you in the beginning, weighted mean is helpful to you as a portfolio manager. So let's say as a portfolio manager, you have two stocks, okay, in your portfolio. One is State Bank of India, one is TCS. And expected returns are given to you. So it is expected SBI will deliver 10%, TCS will deliver 5%. Now to come up with weighted mean, you just need to remember this simple formula. Okay, weighted mean is equals to weights multiplied by returns. So very first thing you need to learn, how to calculate weights, how to come up with weights. See, this client has invested 6,000 in TCS, 4,000 in SBI. So I can say total amount invested is 10,000. Now out of 10,000, 4,000 is invested in State Bank of India. So please tell me what will be the weight of State Bank of India. Out of 10,000, client has invested 4,000. So what is the weightage of State Bank of India? Out of 10,000, 4,000 is invested in SBI. So what will be the weightage of SBI? Guys, please participate. Okay, make this session interactive. Right, 0.4. You can unmute yourself and you can speak. Okay, if you wish, you can, or you can message in chat box. In the same way, out of 10,000, 6,000 is invested in TCS. So weightage will be 60%. So this is how you need to come up with weights. Okay, very easy. Once you have weights with you, what you need to do, you need to multiply with returns. So weightage of SBI is 0.4. I will multiply with expected return of SBI, which is 10%. Plus weightage of TCS is 60. I will multiply with expected return of TCS, which is 5%. Now, when you do this calculation, 0.40 into 10, okay, this will be 4%. 0.60 into 5, this will be 3%. So 4 plus 3, okay, weighted mean is coming how much? Weighted mean is coming 7%. So it is expected this portfolio will deliver 7% return. See, State Bank of India expected return is 10%. But you will not earn 10% because you have not invested, entire funds in State Bank of India. You have only invested 40% in State Bank of India. So that's why you are eligible to earn. Okay, that's why you are eligible to earn 40% of 10%. Okay, which is 4. In the same way, in TCS, you have invested only 60%. So you will not earn, entire 5%, because you have not invested 100% of your funds in TCS. You have invested only 60% of your funds in TCS. So you are eligible to earn only 60% of 5%, which is 3%. So is this clear, guys, everyone? How to calculate weighted mean? Please confirm. सबको आया समझ में?
Yes.
Now let's understand how weighted mean is different from simple mean. Now can someone please come up with simple mean? If let's say I want to come up with simple mean, so what will be the simple mean in this case? Arithmetic mean. Please calculate arithmetic mean.
One and a half.
Yeah, 7.5. So how we have calculated 10% plus 5% divided by 2. Okay, this will be 7.5. So this is arithmetic mean, 7.5%. But look at the weighted mean. How much weighted mean we got? 7%. So how weighted mean is different from arithmetic mean? See, in arithmetic mean, what we are doing, we are adding, all the observations, and then we are dividing with total number of observations. For example, in this case, what we did, 10 plus 5 divided by 2, since we have only 2 observations. So when you are dividing with 2, this means you are giving, equal weightage to SBI and TCS. Equal weightage means, okay, total weightage will be 100% because we have only 2 stocks in portfolio. Okay, so 100 divided by 2. So it's like I'm giving, 50-50 weightage to State Bank of India and TCS. Now please come up with weighted mean. Now use these new weights, 50% weights you can use. Okay, State Bank of India weightage 50%, TCS weightage 50%. Okay, calculate weighted mean. Tell me what will be the answer? Weights into returns. So weights I'm giving you 50-50. So what will be the weighted mean? Point 50 into 10 plus 0.50 into 5. When you do this calculation, again, you will get answer 7.5 only. Okay. So this is how simple mean and weighted mean both are different. In weighted mean, each and every observation gets equal weightage. And in weighted mean, weights of each and every observation is different. Okay, take for example here, weightage of SBI we have computed, it was 40%. Okay, weightage of TCS we have computed, it was 60%. But in weighted mean, the weights are equal to each and every observation. Okay, in previous example, if you remember what we did, we added all the observations and then we divided with 5. Okay, so this means like it is like 100% divided by 5. Each and every observation got 20% weighted. Okay, now this is the practice question for you. Okay, try this and tell me the answer. Yeah, 9.1 is correct. Kunal has given correct answer. So guys, please confirm everyone is getting 9.1. So weightage of common stock is 50%. Okay, multiply this with returns of common stock, which is 12. Weightage of bonds is 40. Okay, multiply with 7%. And cash weightage is 10%. Okay, multiply this with return on cash 3%. So cash is like saving account. If you invest your money in saving account, you are expected to earn 3%. So when you add all these numbers, you will get 9.1%. Okay, now next we will learn how to calculate median. So what is median? Here it is written. Median is nothing but it is the midpoint of a data set. Okay, when data is arranged in ascending or descending order. So let's say I'm giving you the data set. Okay, let's say 1, 3. Okay, let me change the data set. Let's say 5, 1, 3. Now tell me, what is the middle value in this data set? Please come up with the middle value. Okay, so again, I request guys, be interactive. Otherwise, I will not enjoy, in taking this session. So if you want best from me, I will advise everyone, interact with me. What will be the midpoint of data set? See, first, what we need to do, we need to arrange the data set in ascending order. Okay, when you arrange the data in ascending order, okay, we will start with 1, then next number will be 3, and last number will be 5. Now you need to find out the midpoint. Middle value, I can see it is 3. Okay. So 50% of observation you can see is on left side and 50% of observation is on right side. Okay, from middle number. So here midpoint or median is 3. Now you need to remember the formula for median. Okay, median formula is n plus 1 divide by 2. So here n means number of observations in data set. So we have 3 observations. Okay, so n is equals to 3. 3 plus 1 divide by 2. When you do this calculation, you will get answer 2. Now 2 means second observation is median. Okay, second observation is median. So this is the data set arranged in ascending order 1, 3, 5. So second observation is 3. Okay, 3 is your median. So you need to remember this formula. Okay, median is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, please note down this.
Hi everyone. For those of you who joined the session, please request you to please fill in the form that I've shared on the chat window. It's a very small form, just asking for your contact details.
Okay, now let me change the data set. Let's say now the new data set I'm giving to you. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, please calculate median. What will be the median of this data set? Okay, now how to do this? Again, we will use median formula. Okay, median formula is what? N plus 1 divided by 2. So total number of observation, if you count, okay, there are 4 data points. So 4 plus 1 divided by 2. When you do this calculation, you will get answer 2.5. Okay, 2.5 means the median middle value is between second and third observation, because 2.5 exactly fall in between second and third observation. So second observation is 3. Okay, third observation is 5. So what you need to do, add these both observations and divide with 2. Okay, so this is your middle value. Median is 4 in this case. Okay, so 2.5 means your answer is between second and third observation. Second observation is 3, third observation is 5. Add both observations, divide with 2. Okay, you will get the answer. Okay, now please try this. Please tell me what is the answer you got for this. Okay, Saurav, your answer is wrong. First, arrange the data in ascending order. So when you arrange the data in ascending order, very first number will be 15. Okay, then 21, then 23, then 25, and then 30. Now apply median formula. Okay, median formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. N means number of observation. So I can see these are total 5 observation. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2, you will get answer 3. Okay, 3 means third observation is median. So third observation from left side is 23. So 23 is the median. Okay, please try this now. So tell me guys, what is the answer? There is no interaction from your side, guys. So median for this will be, okay, first arrange the data in ascending order. It is already arranged in descending order. Okay, just we need to arrange in ascending. 15, 21, 23, 25, 28, 30. Okay, now apply median formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. So now these are total 6 observation. So 6 plus 1 divided by 2, you will get answer 3.5. Median is between third and fourth observation. 23 plus 25 divided by 2, you will get answer 24. Okay, next is mode. Now mode basically means most repeated value. Okay, value which is repeating more frequently in the data set, that is called as a mode. So take for example, if you look at this data set, 8 is repeating. So in this case, I will say number 8, value 8 is a mode here. Now whenever data set has only one value, okay, which is appearing more frequently, then that type of distribution is known as a unimode distribution. Okay, unimode data set. When one value is repeating, like here in this data set, only one value 8 is repeating. So this is unimode. Okay, when set of data has 2 or 3 values that occur most frequently, then it is known as a bimode. When 2 values are repeating, okay, it is known as a bimode. And when 3 values are repeating, then it is known as a trimode. Okay, again, look at the question. Okay, try to solve this. Just you need to identify the mode. Which value is repeating? Okay, 28 is repeating. Only one value is repeating. Again, it is a unimode. Okay, next we will learn now how to come up with geometric mean. So geometric mean, takes into compounding effect. Okay, arithmetic mean was a simple mean, okay, without compounding effect. So if you want to consider compounding effect in your calculation, you need to come up with geometric mean. So in the beginning, I have told you that returns, presented by mutual fund is geometric mean. Mutual fund present returns like this, 1 year return, 3 years returns, 5 years return. So these all returns are geometric mean. Now, this is one of the very important introduction written here. You need to remember the geometric mean is often used, okay, when calculating investment returns over multiple periods. So if you have a data set of, multiple periods, then you should come up with geometric mean. Okay, then only you will get the clear idea how much returns you are earning every year. So while calculating investment returns over multiple periods or measuring compound growth rates, okay, we will come up with geometric mean. So we will try to learn the formula of geometric mean with the help of example. So these are the last 3 years returns, delivered by, let's say, Infosys. In first year, it has given 20% return. In second year, let's say it has given 10% return. And in third year, let's say it has given 5% return. So what is the geometric mean that we need to find out? So you can think like this. If we are investing, let's say $1 at the beginning of year, and during the first year, I'm getting 20% return. So can you guys tell me what will be the value of $1 at the end of year? You invested $1, you got 20% return. So what will be the value of $1 at the end of year? So at the end of year, the value of $1 will be 1.20. Okay, in the same way, let's say we again invested $1, and at the end of second year, I got 10% return. So value will be 1.10. In third year, let's say we started with again $1. At the end of third year, I got, let's say, 5% return. So value will be 1.05 at the end of third year. Now, what you need to do, you need to compound all three numbers. As I told you, geometric mean takes into consideration compounding effect. Okay, now you need to compound all three numbers. Compound means you need to multiply all three numbers. Okay, 1.20 into 1.10 into 1.05. So let me open calculator and show you. 1.20 into 1.10 into 1.05. So when you compound all three numbers, you will get answer 1.386. Next step, what you need to do, you need to find out the cube root. Okay, to the power 1 by 3. Why cube root? Because in data set, I can see three numbers, three values I can see in data set. So basically, we need to find nth root. If data set is having, two values, okay, then we will go for square root. If data set is having 4 values, we will go for fourth root. If data set is having 5 values, we will go for fifth root and so on. Okay, so first you need to compound all values and then you need to come up with nth root. So in this case, I will go for cube root. Okay, and then minus 1 into 100. See, initially what we did, we added 1. 1 is like your principal. Why we added principal? To come up to calculate returns. So once returns are ready with us, what we will do, we will deduct the principal at the end. So initially we are adding 1 and then at the end we are removing this one. Okay, so this was 1.3860. Okay, cube root minus 1 into 100. So how to take cube root? Okay, 1.3860. Can you see y raised to x key? Okay, just above number 9. Okay, it is a raised to function, to the power function, y raised to x key. So press that key. Okay, bracket open, 1 divided by 3, bracket close. Okay, you will get answer 1.1149. So bracket open you can see on just above number 7. Okay, bracket close sign you can see just above number 8. So once again you can see 1.3860. Okay, y raised to x, bracket open, 1 divided by 3, bracket close. So this is the cube root of 1.3860, 1.1149. Okay, minus 1 into 100. When you do this calculation, you will get answer 11.49%. Okay, this is the geometric. This means your returns are compounding at 11.49% every year. Okay, on an average, you are earning 11.49% every year. Okay, geometric mean with compounding effect. Any confusion if you have, you can ask. Okay, now let's say I'm changing the data set a bit. So last 3 years returns are like this: 20%, 10%, minus 5%. Okay, so this will be 1.20. Okay, this will be 1.10. Now, how to take this negative value, minus 5%? So again, you invested $1 at the beginning of year. Okay, at the end of year, you got 5% loss on $1. So value of $1 will be how much? Value of $1 will be 0.95. Okay, so minus 5% means 0.05. Okay, 5% means 5 per 100. Okay, so this will be 0.05. And since this is minus 5%, so this will be minus 0.05. Add 1 in this. So when you do this calculation, okay, you will get answer 0.95. You invested $1 at the beginning. Okay, end of year you got 5% loss. So the value of $1 is now 0.95. Okay, now again I will compound all three numbers, and then I will take cube root since we have three values, and then minus 1 into 100. Okay, you will get the final answer. Okay, do this calculation. Tell me what is the final answer you are getting. Okay, let me solve this. 1.20 into 1.10 into 0.95. Okay, raised to 1 by 3. Okay, it will be 6.68%. Okay, 6.68 will be the answer. Okay, 1.2 into 1.1 into 0.95. Okay, raised to 1 divided by 3, bracket close. Okay, minus 1 into 100. Yeah, 7.84. Correct. Okay, now try this one. Okay, find out geometric mean. Okay, this will be 0.9066. This will be 1.2345, and this will be 1.0829. Okay, find out cube root, then minus 1 into 100. You will get the answer. Okay, this will be 6.62. Okay, 6.62 is correct answer. Okay, now last topic I will take now, harmonic mean. Now, in the beginning, I've told you harmonic mean is used to come up with average cost price of shares, right? Purchased over time. So let's create one situation. Let's say you are doing SIP, systematic investment plan, every month, Jan, Feb, March. Okay, let's say we are investing 1,000 rupees every month. So we are investing fixed amount every month. But net asset value, okay, NAV, will be different for every month. Let's say January month NAV is 10. Okay, Feb NAV is, let's say, 8, and March NAV is, let's say, 5. Now what we will do, we will try to find out total units, okay, we have purchased. So in Jan month, to buy 1 unit, okay, we need to pay 10 rupees. But how much we are paying? Actually, we are paying 1,000. So in 10 rupees, if I'm getting 1 unit, so for 1,000 rupees, how many units I will get? So I can solve this by doing simple cross multiplication. Okay, so 1,000 divided by 10. So in January, I will have 100 units. In the same way, I can do the calculation for Feb and March. So again, I'm investing 1,000 in Feb, NAV is 8. So 1,000 divided by 8. So you will get 125 units. March, 1,000 divided by 5. So you will get 200 units. Okay, now I will sum up total units accumulated. See, total units we have accumulated how much? 425. Total investment amount is how much? Total we have invested 3,000 rupees, right? 1,000 every month. So total we have invested 3,000. Harmonic mean formula is total investment, okay, divided by total units. So total investment is 3,000. Total units we have accumulated 425. So when you do this calculation, you will get answer 7.05. So on an average, we have accumulated 1 unit at 7.05. Okay, this is your harmonic mean. So whenever you want to find out average cost price, okay, then you need to come up with harmonic mean. Okay, now this was just for your understanding purpose. Okay, in exam, we will not solve in this way. So in exam, you need to remember shortcut formula for harmonic mean. So harmonic mean formula starts with, in numerator, we will write down n. Okay, n means, okay, in numerator, we will write down n. N means total number of observation. Now look at the NAV. Okay, there are 3 observations in data set, 10, 8, 5. Okay, 10, 8, 5. So there are total 3 observations. So in numerator, you will write down number of observation. In denominator, you will write down reciprocal of NAV. So take for example, January month NAV is 10. Okay, reciprocal of 10 will be 1 by 10. Okay, Feb NAV is 8. Reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. March NAV is 5. Reciprocal of 5 will be 1 by 5. So when you do this calculation, again, you will get same answer, 7.05. Okay, so in numerator, we will write down number of observations, and in denominator, we will write down reciprocal of NAV. So first you need to solve denominator. Okay, 1 by 8, sorry, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8. So 1 by 10 will be 0.10. 1 by 8 will be 0.125. 1 by 5 will be 0.20. So this will be 3 divided by 0.425. Okay, you will get same answer, 7.05. Okay, now let me share with you how this formula is arrived. Okay, derivation, just for your knowledge purpose, not required from your exam point of view, just for your knowledge purpose, how this formula is derived. So basically what we do, in January month, we invested 1000. So in numerator, I will write down 1000. And in denominator, I will write down number of units we have accumulated. So in January month, we have accumulated 100 units. And how you will get 100 units when you do this calculation, right? 1000 divided by 10. Same for Fab we will do. In Fab, we invested 1000. Okay, and in denominator, I will show the calculation. In Fab, we accumulated 125 units, 1000 divided by 8. In March, we invested 1000, and in denominator, I will show the calculation. Okay, 1000 divided by 5, 200 units we have accumulated. See now what will happen, 1000 will go one time. Okay, so what left in numerator, 1 plus 1 plus 1, okay, which is 3. And what left in denominator, reciprocals of NAV. Okay, so this is your harmonic mean. Okay, you can practice this now. Yeah, so tell me, what is the answer you are getting? You need to come up with harmonic mean of 8, 9, 10. So again, 3 observation I can see. 3 divided by 1 by 8 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 10. Okay. Okay, 3 observation you can see. So 3 divided by 1 by 8 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 10. Okay, solve this and tell me what answer you are getting. Okay, it will be 8.92. Okay, this will be the harmonic mean. Okay, so I'm done with today's session. So Sahil, you can communicate with them.
Yeah. Thanks everybody for attending.